Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to say thank you for your attendance here to watch my video of my presentations. I feel honored that you're able to present here in the middle of your busy life. Let me introduce myself. My name is Annisa Dwiyana. I'm a student from Informatics Management of Amik, Mitra, Gama. What I'd like to present to you today is artificial intelligence, or AI, is nothing without humans. Previously, I want to ask, does anyone know what is artificial intelligence? If you don't know, I would like to tell you today. What I want to show you today is because I think a lot of us don't know what is artificial intelligence, even though we feel it benefits every day. So, I will explain it to you today. There are so many examples of AI being applied in our technology field today. So, I think this topic is very interesting to discuss. In my presentation, I will focus on three major issues. I'll begin with what is artificial intelligence is. Then I'll move on to show you why artificial intelligence or AI is nothing without humans. After that, I will end with show you a video of implementation of AI in our life. My presentation will take about 30 minutes. I'll be handing out coffee slides at the end of my talk, so don't worry about taking notes. If you want the soft file, I will email you and send it to you. So I will show you a slide of artificial intelligence presentation. Artificial intelligence or AI is nothing without humans. First, I want to explain what is artificial intelligence. AI is one part of computer science that studies how to make machines or computers can do work like and as well as what humans do, even better than humans do. Artificial intelligence is intelligence added by humans to a technological system organized and developed in a scientific context, formed from the intelligence of existing scientific entities. Next, artificial intelligence is nothing without humans, so there's a reason. DARPA's goal was to have army officers save time by automating some of the manual or related tasks that filled their day. What Guterres and his colleagues discovered was the exponential power of AI and humans working together. The project really opened my eyes to what possible with the right mix of machines and humans. Guterres says, you can do some pretty amazing things, and it's not just about helping office workers get more done. It's about helping individuals and teams be more effective. So, from this story, we know that machine and humans is a collaboration, not a competition. Because without humans, machine cannot do anything, and without artificial intelligence, machine cannot do everything too. So, where artificial intelligence came from? Artificial intelligence come from humans and added it to a machine. So I think if you think that humans is better than artificial intelligence or better than machines or machines is better than humans, I think it's not the statement true, because artificial intelligence and humans is same intelligence, and with this collaboration make a perfect collaboration to make our life better. Next, one quote. Remember that there is no human versus machine. It's a collaboration, as I said before. Implementation of AI. Now I will show you a video of implementation of AI, search from YouTube channel Interesting Engineering. So let's check this out.
Everyone is talking about artificial intelligence today. But what is it? How and when is it going to have an impact in our lives? Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is a branch of computer science. It deals with the stimulation of intelligent behavior in computers. AI is a suite of technologies where machines automatically learn and adapt to a specific environment. Artificial intelligence is playing a major role in industry, businesses, society, and even in our everyday lives. From deep learning to natural language processing, we interact with AI in one way or another on a daily basis, sometimes without realizing we are doing it. Robots can now take on many of the most repetitive jobs performed by humans with more accuracy and much faster. But robots are not the only ones with embedded AI. AI will let humans switch to more skillful and better jobs. It only requires some training in new skills. But isn't life a constant learning process after all? Humans will be able to work less hours, having more free time to enjoy life, family, hobbies, and friends. Consumer examples of AI today: Amazon's Alexa and Samsung's Bixby, responding to voice command. Netflix, recommending programs based on the user's viewing history and preferences. Business examples of AI today: virtual assistants for responsive customer service, machine learning algorithms for better analysis of business performance, smart robotics for more efficient supply chains. Today, these simple and early examples of AI belong to what we now call narrow AI. Narrow AI are systems designed by humans to carry out specific tasks. In the future, data growth, greater computational power, 5G networks, increasingly mature cloud platforms, and more sophisticated software will move AI to the next level. General AI. But not so fast. Before we get there are challenges to overcome. Concerns over data, system bias, and security top the list. Let's have a look at some facts. AI market is projected to reach $70 billion by 2020. AI is going to have a transformative effect on consumers, enterprises, and governments in the near future. AI is going to impact our lives in an unimaginable way. Nearly 8 in 10 leading CIOs, CTOs, and heads of IT agree that AI will have a transformative impact on their organization over the next 3 to 5 years. For 54% of business leaders, the primary aim of deploying AI is to free staff for higher value work. 65% of business leaders today are considering or piloting AI projects. It will take 3 to 5 years for those AI projects to become a reality. It means there is enough time to learn new skills and be ready for 2024. The global AI market is forecast to reach a valuation of over $3 trillion by 2024. But before that happens, there is plenty we have to learn before we can co-live and co-work with AI.
As I've already explained, without us realizing, there are so many examples of AI being applied in our life. I have a question. Do you think AI is nothing without humans? Apart from being too brilliant, this AI is nothing without humans who have the intelligence to create exciting technologies, because AI is basically artificial intelligence, or made by humans too. The question is, why does AI seem smarter than humans? Do we really want to make AI master everything so that no human power is needed? So, to sum up, artificial intelligence indeed superior and a great demand at this time, but does not mean all that can be done without humans. So, keep it in mind that humans and artificial intelligence are a collaboration, not a competition. I think it's enough for my presentation today. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.